Alright guys, welcome back to Hector's Row Reviews. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new AC Pro AC Recharge. This one, guys, I ain't gonna lie, my Mustang, it's like blowing out super hot air. It's getting over 100 degrees here in Texas. So I went and got this delivered. If you guys aren't using Walmart Plus delivery, because you're sleeping on it, just place the order, had it ready the same day, didn't have to pay anything more. I'll leave a link if you guys want to check it out. I get all my stuff delivered, and this was one of them. So, and I also got this one on sale. I'll also leave the link for this one as well. But you guys will just have to take my word for it. It's freaking hot in the car. I mean, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's probably something else having to do with the car. But for now, let's go ahead and hook it up to the car, and hopefully the air gets nice and cold. But this is the one that I got. It says it should be done in about 10 minutes or so. So let's hook it up and try it out. And when I say that, it's probably going to be my pops helping me out. All right, so we're gonna unscrew this. This is for an 09 Mustang GT. So take this one off. Okay, so right here we're connecting it to the low pressure port because that's the side this recharge hose is made for. The car is running with the AC turned all the way cold, and the gauge gives us a quick idea of whether the system is low before we start adding anything. My 09 Mustang does use the R134A, so this is the correct type of refrigerant for this car. The gauge is probably the most helpful part of the kit because you don't want to blindly dump the entire can into the system. Mine did end up using it though. More refrigerant does not automatically mean colder air. If you put too much in, you can actually make the AC perform worse and put extra pressure on the system. So as we're adding it and checking the gauge instead of just trying to empty the can as fast as possible. The EPA specifically warns not to add too much refrigerant than necessary because overcharging can hurt the performance and damage the system. Alright guys, so literally empty now. Took the whole can, chilled it about 10 minutes. Sorry, because I'm telling you guys it's freaking hot that even my Pocket 3 overheated. But now that I'm in the car, I had it running for a little bit. It did get a lot cooler, so super easy fix. So we're taking it out for a test run because that's what my dad said. But honestly, I wouldn't be out right now, like, because it was just blowing out so much hotter right now. It's freaking nice and cool. Back in the Stang, it's back in action. Now we could take it out again because I was like, unless it's in the morning, I'm not taking it out. We got the AC full blast, nice and cool. Just I would not be out right now. I know I don't have like a freaking way to show you how it went from hot to cold, but it worked. So I was just hoping that's what it was. I didn't want another issue to be with my car. Alright, so I hope you guys found this video useful and you guys like and subscribe. If you guys are looking for a new AC recharge, definitely get to this one that I got, man. It's freaking nice and cool right now. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can get yours. Highly recommend.